It is very advisable to put password on your Wi-Fi so as to avoid outsiders from misusing your data. But do you know how to review or find password on your Windows 10 computer? Hello, Melka here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can find your Wi-Fi password in a Windows 10 computer. Let's get started. To do this, you have to open the control panel. Now, to open the control panel, you have to first of all go to the file explorer, open the file explorer and navigate to control panel. Once you have the control panel opened, click on network and internet. After clicking on network and internet, click on view network and status stars. After this window is shown, the name of the password or network you are connected to will be shown here. Click on the name of the password and then click on wireless property. Once you have the wireless property opened, click on security. Now this show character right here displays or reviews the password for you. So check this box and you will have the password uncovered. Now this is the password for this particular network. Okay, so this is how you review or you find your Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share the links and also leave a comment. Until we meet again. Bye bye.